Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix the CapCut error too many people are using this feature, so you can keep editing smoothly. This usually happens when CapCut servers are overloaded, especially for popular effects or templates. First, try closing and reopening the app, then attempt the feature again. If it still doesn't work, check your internet connection. Switch to a stronger Wi-Fi or mobile data for better stability. You can also log out of your CapCut account and log back in to refresh your session. Another option is to clear the app cache in Settings to remove temporary files that may cause glitches. If the problem persists, wait a little while and try again later, since server overload usually resolves on its own. Avoid using VPNs during this time, as they can interfere with server access. Following these steps should fix the error and let you use all features without interruption. Subscribe the channel for more videos.